Hello everyone, welcome to Gamified EduTech. In this video, I'll show you how you can play a fun game of Family Feud this Christmas with your class. There are 3 parts to this video. I'll show you how to play Christmas Family Feud with your students, then I'll show you how to install Classroom Feud extension into your Google Slides so you can play or create your own game or customize this template with your own questions. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you where you can get this template so you can customize it. Okay, let's get started. This is how you play Christmas Classroom Feud or Christmas Family Feud in your class. So you play this game using the Google Slides, and then you open up the extension Classroom Feud, and then you do play Classroom Feud. Once you do that, if you're in the first slide and there's no question and answers, it will show you this particular sidebar. And then let's say you want to start the round, so you click the start round. It's going to load up the next page, which the first question and all the answers and questions. So you control this through the sidebar here. So you can also read the question using AI here. You can click this button here up here.
Name a Christmas related word that starts with S.
So, and then you can click, let's say somebody knows the answer. You want to click the answer. You also want to probably print out the slides so that you can make sure when somebody make a guess, you know where it is, right? So let's say it's a number 1, Santa. Number 2, there you go. And then let's say they made a mistake. You can kind of click the 1x here, then 2x, then 3x. So that sound is also configurable if you want to change it. So if you click it again, it should be disabled. So let's say they choose again. So sometimes it will be delayed depending on how fast your connection to Google Slides. So typically, if the score here are matching, that means it's done. So you can kind of go ahead and choose the next answer. There you go. So here it's done. So you can set another one. So let's say you're done with the round. They made 3 incorrect answers, and then you want to assign the score to, let's say, Team A. You just click this one, and then it will update here as well. So once this round is 0, you can go to the next round. And then everything will be reset. The sidebar will be reset, and then you'll load the next slide. So and then you go ahead and do the same thing. Once this is updated, they're done. All right, so let's say we want to assign the score here, even though there's no excess, that's fine. We're just testing this. Here you go. And then, so both Team A and Team B has their scores, and then you can go to the next round here. So there you have it. It's that's how you play it, and you can have as many rounds as you want, and it'll just accumulate the scores here and on the sidebar. Next, let me just show you how to install this so you can create your own or customize this template. Or play. You need this extension to play as well. So if you don't have it in your Google Slides yet, you just click to extensions and then click add-ons and then get add-ons. Here on this screen, you'll be opening up the Google Workspace Marketplace, and then here you can type in Classroom Feud. So that's the name of the game. So once you have it here, it shows it's installed because I have it installed, but yours you won't see, and then you'll see a button here, install. But let me click on that one. So since I have it installed, you see here uninstall here. So let me click uninstall so you can see what it looks like when you open it up without having it installed yet. So so it shows like this. And once you click this one, it should open up, an authorization dialog. So let me show you that. Okay, let's say we click it. You'll see a dialog like this showing your email address and sign into Google. So once you click this one, it will ask you to authorize this, using this profile. And then you click continue. And then here it will show you all the scope or the authorization that it requires so that it will function properly within your Google slide. So click allow here. So once that's done, click done here and close this window, and then typically it won't work yet. It will just show help. So you need to do a refresh on your Google Slides and then wait a few seconds to load it up properly. So yeah, so here we have it. You now have this. So if you want to play, you click play, and then let's go to configure. Now, how do you configure this Classroom Feud or this Family Feud game, or customize it? So you go to Classroom Feud, configure, and do configure here. So here in this screen, it will allow you a few things. It will allow you to download, a completely new template, or you can just use this one. And then it will allow you to make a copy of a spreadsheet for all the questions and the answers, and then allow you to import that here. So I already pre-created the spreadsheet. So if you click this, you can just make a copy. It's gonna look something like that. You make a copy. Once you make a copy, it's gonna look something like this. This one is already pre-configured for the Christmas one. So I have the questions here. So basically, you need to make sure that this one is always slide 2 or wherever your slide is, the template. Because when you go back to the slides, there is an empty one that you need to use. This one. It says round X. That's the empty one that you want to do. And then you want to make sure that this is on location 2. So let me move that up to location 2. And so yeah, so 2 here. Let me delete all of this stuff. So yeah, so there's only two slides here, right? So it will make a copy of this and then create a slide for each. So as you can see here, there's the question title. You can change all of this, and then this one you need to make sure it's 2. And the question, of course, depends on what the item is. And then you have answer 1, score 1, answer 2, score 2, up to 10. Okay, up to 10. Yeah, so you can change all of that or create your own, and you can add more if you want to. So once you're done, right, this will remain in sheet 1, and you can copy the URL of this spreadsheet and then paste it over here in step 3. Okay, so once you do that, right, you can just click import questions and it will import all of this, and that's basically your customized version. So now we're importing. So it's going to create, 15 slides for you, and each question and each answer will be in there. So here. So what's a common Christmas decoration? So as you can see, sorry, that's I think number, so that's slide question 2. So what's a common Christmas decoration? It's lights, wreath, nativity scene, etc. So those are the scores. So if you go back, and then let's say we want to show all answers, you will see the scores as well. So yeah, so lights 25, wreath 20, nativity scene 15, right? So those are, and then of course the same for everything. So if you want to show all answers, this sometimes, if it's mixed up, you just need to make sure they're in the right location. So yeah, there you go. I just need to fix that because I deleted all the slides and it made it wrong. So but now it's correct. You just move it around, and yeah, so that's how you create it. And then let's say here are a few functions that you can use. Let's say you want to reset the scores to 0. If the scores are not 0, you can click that. You can also cover all answers, show all answers. You can show the 1x, 2x, and 3x. So let's try that. Show 3x. Yeah, so that's for the current slide. So you can hide that, hide all x's. Yeah, so let's say you want to hide cover all answers. So yeah, so every slide should have all the answers covered now. Okay, so now you can also customize the sound. Let's say the correct answer sound, you know, you can find the MP3 URL or put in the Google Drive URL. So like this one, I put a Google Drive URL and the system will know how to get it. And you can also change the MP3 and then you can even test it, right? So let's say save custom sound and test. So yeah, so let's say this is the custom wrong sound and then this is the correct sound. So yeah, so those are, you know, things that you can configure, and that's pretty much it. You can play it for free, you know, after 4 rounds. So once you're ready and you want to play more rounds, that's when you need to go with a subscription. Yeah, so that's how you customize your Family Feud for your own use. Okay, so would you like to get a copy of this template? It's pretty easy. So just go ahead and visit this site here. School Gamified EduTech 488. This is our community page. So once you come here and you sign up, I'll make sure you know this link is in the description below. So once you sign up here, you can go to the classroom and then you can go to the free Family Feud Google Slides templates here, and then you can find Christmas Classroom Feud here. Once you come here, you can click the link and then make a copy. So there's an instruction in here. All right. So yeah, see you in the community. If you like to get more free templates in the future, don't forget to like this YouTube video or even just subscribe to our channel so that once we have more videos giving away free templates like this one, you'll be able to see it in your YouTube channel or in your YouTube feed. All right. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye now.